Hi guys, my name is Naveen. Today, I am going to try a cool filter with Photoshop software. Okay, I will use an image for that. The resolution of this image is 72. First I will create a duplicate layer in this image layer. Then I make a selection around the object to which the filter should be applied. For that I use the quick selection tool. After making a selection on the object, click Filter, click Pixelate, then select the Mosaic Filter. This Mosaic menu allows you to change the cell size as you wish. Set that value to suit you and click OK. I think this filter will be important to you at some point. For example, this filter is important for you when hiding a place in an image. Okay. Now let's create a text effect using this filter. For that I will create a document like this. I will create a text on it like this. I added a small design together to decorate the background. Then right-click on the text layer. Click Rasterize Type. Then click on the thumbnail of the layer corresponding to your text with the Control button. Now you can see a selection around the text. Click Filter. Click Pixelate. Then select the Mosaic Filter. Then change the cell size to your liking. See, a very beautiful text effect was created. Okay, it's time for me to go. Thanks for watching until the end of the video.